testing. So, class, we discussed all about weather instrument yesterday. So, those weather instruments can gather data or information about the condition of our atmosphere. So, the same as true, with other condition, the condition within the island, same also with the condition within the sea. So as they gathered information about the gathered data, within our atmosphere, the weatherman will analyze that one in case our weather sphere or our weather condition is not good. And later on, they will announce that one to the public. So one bad condition of our atmosphere in case there is what we call now coming typhoon or tropical cyclone. So class, but how does tropical cyclone originated, or where is the birthplace of that typhoon? So the birthplace of the typhoon is automatically within the large amount of water within the surface of the earth, and we call it the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean now is somewhat similar with this one. So you can see a vast area, a big area of water, and there you are, that area now where the lots and lots of precipitation that happen, lots and lots of evaporation. So if there's evaporation, meaning, we have lots of clouds that will happen. Good example is one. So what will happen now? What will happen to the air, to the water within the surface of the Pacific Ocean? Automatically, they will rise up and it will condense. And later on, what happened there, we have some, big amount of what we call now wind. Vast amount of wind gathering, some with different direction. And later on, some of them will swirl to each other and swirl to each other until, they will gather lots and lots of precipitation and condensation of what we call now water, and of course clouds. So as they swirl to each other, they will name that area now as what we call now disturbed area, somewhat similar with this one. So the disturbed area, they call that one now low pressure area. So meaning there is a what we call now in this area now, it is a disturbed area and it will become a low pressure area. And later on, here comes now, as the swirling of the wind and vast amount of clouds gather together, those weathermen by a satellite, they can see now the eye of the disturbed area. So the weatherman now will observe that one within 24 hours. In case within 24 hours, it will become now a severe area, and the side view of that one is somewhat similar with this one. So you can see then here, this will become the low pressure area, and it will become the eye of the typhoon. So a typhoon is a violent swirling wind composed of clouds, rains, and a very, very strong wind. So they call it a violent one. So the origin of all of the typhoon or tropical cyclone, it is always within the body of water called the Pacific Ocean. So a very small low pressure area or disturbed area, it will become a gigantic one, somewhat similar with this one, because it will gather lots and lots of clouds and swirling wind, and that one now will swirl counterclockwise. So we call that one now your Coriolis effect. So these are the things that will happen, if there's what we call now tropical cyclone. So you can see them there, it is a violent one. In the Philippines, we have around 21 tropical cyclones every year. Some of them are very strong, some of them are very weak.